na ang pangalan sa ato ang bisita sa Bispop music industry. Diin ubay-ubay na ang iyahang natabangan nga mga Bisdak artist. Atong hinabi karon si songwriter and song composer Jude Gitamondok. Mayong buntag, Sir Jude, and welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Mayong buntag, Cecil. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you also, sir, for spending your morning with us. Kumusta na, Sir Jude?
Busy gyapon na suwat kanta, produce og kanta. Pero naratas balay permi kay kanang tungod sa COVID, pero makagawas ra ko kung naay recording.
Sir Jude, una sa tanan, daghan kayong salamat sa pagsanong sa amo ang imbitasyon karong buntaga. Sir, we would like to know more about you. Kinsa Jude si Sir Jude Gitamondok, luyo sa mga maanindot niya nga mga kanta.
Yeah, you're right. I'm a simple songwriter and also producer for other artists. Tigsuwat sa kog mga musicals. Pero mostly my work really, especially in the last 5 years or so, was focused on the production of Bisaya songs.
Sir Jude, kung wala ka nahimong song composer and writer, unsa ka imuhang ginabuhat karon? Unsay imuhang career nga gi-pursue?
Feeling na ko gyapon something along the lines of writing, probably screenwriting. Although even up to now, gyapon na ako gi-give up na dream. I still want to someday write a Bisaya screenplay.
And Sir Jude, we'd also like to know kung kanusaan ni nagsugod ang imuhang pagkahilig o kining gugma nimo sa mga Bisaya nga songs.
Before magud songwriter ko for other OPM artists like Gary V and Regine. So I mostly write in Tagalog or English. But since then I've been also joining Cebu Pop since 2003, I think. And then for 7 years nagsige kog appeal, and then nakadaog ko finally in 2008 o grand prize sa Cebu Pop, and dito ko nakakuha og confidence to organize another songwriting contest which we now call as Bispop. Back in the day, it's really started out as a songwriting campaign that I co-organized with artist ko. And karon nahimo na siyang genre. In fact, just in the last 2 years, Spotify already recognized Bispop as a genre.
And Sir Jude, usadyog ka sa mga most respected music producers and composers dinhi sa Bisaya. Sa Visayas, I mean. Unsa ang imuhang tinguha, sir, sa pagpalambo pa jud sa Bispop music?
The future of Bispop music depends on our young songwriters if musuwat ba sila Bisaya. And that is also our goal sa Kadasig, is to inspire the young songwriters to keep writing in Bisaya.
Ug usadyog ka sa ilahang mga mentors and inspiration ni Ana, Sir Jude. Ug kay naila naman jud ang imuhang pangan dinhi sa Dakbayan sa Sugbo. Unsa pay angay atangan namo nimo sa umaabot, sir?
We're still continuing kaning voting sa Okaraga. We are happy to announce na top 20 na sila sa International Songwriting Competition. And then we're also currently in production sa mga albums sa Mampor and Me and Jerica Chodorico. And of course, ang gipaabot sa tanan si Kurt Fick and Jackie Chang. Doon na sila bagong kanta which is gonna be in a month or so be released. And atong naisgutan ganina, we plan to hold Bispop maybe this year or early next year.
Busa, asa ka pwede mamihimong bisitahon sa social media sa imuhang mga fans and followers?
Yes, narata sa Facebook, facebook.com/Songs of Jude Gitamondok for katuwa kong mga own songs, and for the songs of the other artists, natay independent record label called Kadasig, facebook.com/Kadasig Bisaya. So if you want to support our artists, go to those pages and hopefully malingaw mo sa mga kanta. Hopefully iniguman aning pandemic, and we are very hopeful na this pandemic will end very soon. We hope to stage more real life gigs pohon, and hopefully I know everyone is looking forward to congregate with the artists again, and hopefully we can stage and organize more events in the future.
Yes, we're excited for that. Hinaot, mahitabo na, sir. Busa, daghan kayong salamat, sir, for spending your morning with us.
Thank you, Kayo. Thank you for giving us time to talk about our projects.
Thank you, Sir Jude.
Thank you.